If you're living with diabetes, the biggest wins often come from small, repeatable choices. Today, we'll cover 3 everyday powerhouse foods that can steady your blood sugar, support your heart and nerves, and make your meals satisfying without the crash. You'll learn how much to eat, how to pair them, smart shopping tips, and a ready Tuesday of meals you can copy this week. 1. Why? Eggs help. Eggs are very low in carbs and rich in complete protein, which slows gastric emptying and helps tame post-meal spikes. They also deliver by vitamins, vitamin D, selenium, choline, and protective antioxidants. Lutein. Quick nutrition. 1 large egg, approximately 70 to 78 kcal, approximately 6 g protein. 1 g carbs, healthy fats, rich in choline. How to eat them. Build protein-anchored breakfast stew. Stabilize morning glucose. Mix 1 whole egg plus 2 egg whites for higher protein with less fat if you're watching cholesterol with olive oil or avocado oil. Avoid deep frying or heavy butter. Smart portions. Most people do well with 1 to 2 eggs at a meal. If you eat eggs daily, balance saturated fat across the rest of your day and keep veggies high. Pairings that steady glucose. Add non-starchy vegetables, spinach, peppers, mushrooms, and a fiber-side berries, avocado, or a small whole grain portion. Skip sugary sauces. Budget tip. Eggs are one of the most affordable proteins, if budget allows. Omega-3 or pasture-raised eggs can slightly improve the fat profile. Cautions if you've been told to limit cholesterol or protein for kidney reasons. Personalize with your clinician. Keep prep methods heart smart. Bacon and heavy butter cancel benefits. To leafy greens. Why greens help? Dark leafy green spinach, kale, collards, arugula, romaine. Chard are ultra-low GI, high in fiber, and loaded with potassium, magnesium, folate, vitamins A, C, K, and antioxidants that support insulin sensitivity, blood pressure, eye health, and wound healing. Quick nutrition. 1 cup raw spinach or kale, approximately 7 to 10 kcal. 2 g carbs, big hits of vitamin K, A, C, and magnesium. How to eat them. Make half your plate non-starchy veg, with at least 1 to 2 cups of greens at lunch or dinner. Toss into omelets. Blend into smoothies, sauté with garlic, plus olive oil. Or add to soup. Stir-fries. Pairings that steady glucose. Greens plus lean protein. Eggs, chicken, fish, tofu plus healthy fat. Olive oil, avocado, nuts, seeds equals slower digestion and steadier numbers. Consistency tip. If you're on blood thinners, keep vitamin K intake consistent. Don't swing from 0 to huge salads overnight. 3. Nuts and seeds. Why nuts and seeds help? Almonds, walnuts, pistachios, pumpkin seeds, chia, flax, sunflower deliver healthy fats, fiber, protein, magnesium, vitamin E, zinc, and omega-3 south. Together, they slow carbohydrate absorption, improve satiety, and support heart, nerve, eye, kidney, and skin health. Quick portion guide. Nuts, approximately 1 ounce small handful. Seeds, approximately 2 TBSP, chia, flax, pumpkin, sunflower. Glucose-friendly effects. Fiber plus fat plus protein equals fewer spikes, fewer crashes, and better time in range. When paired with meals or used as smart snacks. How to use them. Sprinkle chia, flax into yogurt or smoothie. Add pumpkin or sunflower seeds to salads and bowls. Pair almond butter with apple slices, or walnuts with oatmeal. Choose raw, dry roasted, or lightly salted. Avoid candied or sugar-coated. Cautions their calorie-dense. Measure portions if weight loss is a goal. For CKD, ask your clinician about daily protein mineral targets. Put it together. Plate blueprint, half plate. Leafy greens plus other non-starchy veg. Quarter plate. Lean protein. Eggs, fish, chicken, tofu, beans as tolerated. Quarter plate. High fiber carbs, berries, legumes. Small whole grain portion or keep carbs lower and add extra veggie. A thumb of healthy fat olive oil, avocado. Nuts, seeds, 1-day sample meal plan. Copy this breakfast spinach mushroom. Egg scramble 1 whole egg plus 2 whites in olive oil. Side of cherry tomatoes. Snack Greek yogurt plain. With 1 TBSP, chia, and cinnamon. Lunch Big Kellermanane salad with grilled chicken or tofu. Cucumbers, peppers, a sprinkle of pumpkin seeds. And olive oil plus lemon dressing. Snack 10 to 12 almonds, plus a few berries. Dinner, salmon or turkey. Meatballs over garlicky sautéed greens and roasted cauliflower. Optional small scoop of quinoa, if you track it well, evening if needed. Herbal tea plus 1 TBSP sunflower seeds or a boiled egg. Grocery and prep shortcuts by pre-washed salad greens and frozen spinach. For quick adds, batch cook hard-boiled eggs 4. Grab Bango protein, keep a jar of mixed seeds to sprinkle on any meal, stock frozen veg, broccoli, green beans. Peppers for fast sides FAQs. Can I eat eggs every day? Often yes, especially with Heart Smart Prep. Many do well with 1 to 2 per day. Personalize if you have lipid or kidney goals. Best greens if I'm new to them. Start mild, spinach, romaine, baby kale. Build 2 heartier greens like collards and chard. Best nuts, seeds for blood sugar. All can help. Almonds, walnuts, pistachios, chia, flax, pumpkin are standouts. Keep to 1 ounce nuts or 2 TBSP seeds per serving. How do I know if it's working? Check your pre-post meal glucose or CGM trends. You should see smaller rises and smoother curves. Final thought: you don't need a complicated diet, just repeat the wins. Anchor meals with eggs or another lean protein. Pile on leafy greens and finish with a measured portion of nuts or seeds. Keep doing it, and your numbers and energy start to reflect it. If this helps, please like the video, subscribe for weekly diabetes-friendly tips, and share it with someone who wants clear, practical guidance. Tell me in the comments, which of these 3 foods will you focus on this week? Eggs, greens, or nuts, seeds?